Hello, this is OCR Further Statistics. We're in Non-parametric Tests 1 and the first video, an introduction. Sometimes we just don't know enough about the data we have. It doesn't fit any obvious distribution, but we want to find out some information. Tests that do not assume a particular form of distribution or do not assume any parameters of the distribution are called non-parametric tests. Remember that a parameter is a numerical or other measurable factor forming one of a set that defines a system or sets the conditions of its operation. N and P define the particular binomial distribution you are using. N and P are parameters. The mean of a normal distribution is a parameter. You also need the variance to describe the distribution fully. The median is a non-parametric statistic that you are already very familiar with. It doesn't tell you a lot about the distribution, although it is a very useful measure. A more sophisticated statistic that you have already met is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Again, this doesn't tell you much about the distribution. These tests are not going to be very accurate or powerful. A test is powerful if it detects a difference when there is one, a significant one. But they are what we call robust. That means that the test is still valid even if some of the assumptions are a bit out. This is important because usually the assumptions are a bit out. That's why we call them assumptions. We often assume a set of data is normal, when in fact it's only approximately normal. The more robust a test is, the more useful it is when we haven't got much to go on. That's the end of this introductory video. In the next video, we'll look at a very simple non-parametric test.